Good morning, student. Today we are going to see one important 3-mark electric potential due to a point charge. Okay. First, what is mean by potential, electric potential? The work done to needed a unit positive charge from infinity. Unit positive charge. From infinity to that point, one specific point is called electric potential, and this work done by against electrostatic force. Against electrostatic force. Consider a point charge plus Q. This is another point, distance r from Q. Okay. Here one point charge to infinite distance. We move this positive charge from infinite distance to particular distance at a point P. This is called electrostatic potential. We use electrostatic potential. V is the symbol for electrostatic potential. Okay. What is the formula for electrostatic potential? E dot dr. Electric field into distance. Okay, here we use negative sign because of the work done by the charge, positive charge against electrostatic force. So, V which is equal to minus E dot dr, E vector, dr vector. Okay. And next, what is the formula for electric field? E which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square into R cap. Here we use vector notation. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. So, V which is equal to minus E dot dr. V which is equal to minus, what is the value for minus? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square into R cap dot dr. Okay, this take dV. Integrating both sides. Integrating. V which is equal to integral limit infinity to R distance because final, initial, final. Initial, final. Okay, infinity to R minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square into R cap dot dr. Okay, so Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q is common. So, minus 1 by Q by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinite to R 1 divided by R square into R cap dot dr. We know very well the vector notation of dr which is equal to dr into r cap. A vector multiplied by its magnitude, divided by its magnitude is called unit vector. Already we will learn in our 11th physics unit vector, define unit vector. So, this can be changed into minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinity to r 1 by r square into r cap into dr into r cap. We know very well about the dot product of vectors. Okay, in our scalar quantities, dot product of vectors r cap dot r cap which is equal to 1. So, the equation becomes V which is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught integral infinite to r 1 divided by r square into dr into r cap into r cap. The value of r cap into r cap is equal to 1. So, the equation becomes minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught into integral infinite to r 1 by r square into dr. Here we use mathematical expression. Okay. Integral 1 by r square into dr which is equal, 1 by r square into dr which is equal to integral x power n. What is the formula for x power n? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 which is equal to integral x power n. Okay. So, this formula can be changed, can be converted into power power go up means the plus 2 becomes negative sign minus 2 r minus 2 into dr integral. So integral x power n plus 1 minus r power minus n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, so r power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so r down la move panna enna kedikum same 1 by r, here minus 1 by r. So minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by minus 1 by r. Okay, limit infinite to r minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught, final minus initial limit minus 1 by minus 1 by r minus already minus plus 1 by infinite. So minus into minus plus q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by r. This is the value of electrostatic potential. Okay, listen students, one more I will explain you. Take two positive charges, one is r from point P r distance, first charge, and second charge is infinite distance. Okay, so what is the formula for potential or potential difference? V which is equal to minus E dot dr. Okay, this is vector form. Here we use negative sign because of against electrostatic force. We move one positive charge from infinity to point P, okay, against electrostatic force, that's why we are using negative sign here. So E vector which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon into q divided by r square into r cap. This is we know very well electric field formula. V which is equal to, here substitute E value, the equation becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square into r cap into dr, but we know very well dr vector which is equal to dr into r cap. This is unit vector. Take constant values as common, minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught, the equation becomes r cap into r cap is equal to 1. Okay, here we take integration using mathematical expression. Okay, here we substituting limit, the final equation becomes v which is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 divided by r. This is the constant formula for electrostatic potential. Okay, that's all students. And another 5 mark, electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. Very important 5 mark. Okay, next 5 marks students, very important 5 marks. Electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. So nariya mura the public exam la ketirukanga, so very easiest 5 mark. Okay, listen carefully. So here we using dipole only. Okay, electric dipole, we know very well about electric dipole. Two opposite charges, one is negative charge, another one is positive charge, separated by a small distance 2a. Consider the midpoint O. The distance can be separated into a and a plus a which is equal to 2a. Okay, so consider any one of the point from the midpoint of the dipole. Okay, so in the midpoint landa engaachum or point na consider pandren. Here the point P, distance r from O. Okay, so inga constant or point charge na consider pandrappa, so idu enna agum separate agum, it has some particular distance. Okay, so in the point na theta nu consider panna because some angle variation irukku, in the point na theta nu consider panna, and in the point 180 minus theta because straight line means 180. So by the 180 minus theta consider agum. In the distance r1 na idu r1 and this r2. Okay, that's all. So for example idu a nu edutukonga, idu b nu edutukonga, all construction over. Idukku ungalku half mark. Ipo already previous 5 mark la nama paathirukom illaya, the value of electrostatic potential V which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by r. So இந்த வேல்யூ நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ சேம் இந்த வேல்யூவை சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா இந்த பீன்ற பாயிண்டில் ஆக்ட் ஆகிற டோட்டல் எலக்ட்ரிக் பொட்டென்ஷியல் வந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம், மெஷர் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ பாருங்கள், Here two potential, one is due to negative charge and due to positive charge. So the total electric potential V which is equal to V1 plus V2. So எப்படி நம்ம electric field எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவோம், E1 plus E2, same condition we are using here. Okay, so what is the formula for potential V which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is the general formula for electrostatic potential. Okay, so according to our category, our principle, due to plus Q charge, electric potential act on plus Q charge, V1 which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R1, because distance R1, here we are using R1 distance. Okay, due to minus charge, due to negative charge, the value of electrostatic potential in negative charge V2 which is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by R2, because the distance between minus Q to dipole moment R2. Here we using negative charge because negative sign because of negative charge. Okay, what is the formula? V which is equal to V1 plus V2. So add V1 and V2 value. V which is equal to, what is the value of V1? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R1 plus, listen, here we using plus symbol, but the value of V2 minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So plus into minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R2. So in the, sorry, R square la R2. Okay, so in the values alla common ah velladunga paakalam. 1 by Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, so V which is equal to Q into Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay, so இங்க நம்ம 1 by R1 இந்த 1 by R2 இந்த வேல்யூ நம்ம டிட்டர்மைன் பண்ணாவே ஈஸியா நம்மளால electrostatic potential, total electrostatic potential ஈஸியா நம்மளால மெஷர் பண்ண முடியும். So 1 by R1 நமக்கு தெரியாது. We use cosine law for that. Cosine law for triangle OBP. இந்த நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம 11th பார்த்துருப்போம், கொசைனில் ட்ரையாங்கிளில் எல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்போம் இல்லையா. ஸோ அந்த 11th பார்த்தது இங்கே கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கொசைனில் ஆர் ஸ்கொயர் விச் இஸ் R1 ஸ்கொயர், பிகாஸ் R1 தான் நம்ம டிட்டர்மைன் பண்ணோம். R1 ஸ்கொயர் விச் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு R ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் A ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் 2RA cos theta. Wait, I will check. R square which is equal to R square plus A square minus 2RA cos theta. Okay, so ரெண்டு சைடுமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா R square ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணுங்கடா ரெண்டு சைடுமே ஈக்குவேஷனில். ஸோ R square divided by R square by R square by R square. Okay, ஸோ அப்போ என்ன மாறும், R1 square by R square, இது கான்ஸ்டன்ட் அப்படியே தான் இருக்குது. பட் இந்த R square cancel. ஸோ the equation become 1 plus A square by R square minus 2RA. So இந்த Rக்கு இந்த ஸ்கொயரில் ஒன்று கேன்சல் ஆகும். அப்போ என்ன மாறும், 2A cos theta divided by R. ஸோ இங்கே டிவைடில் இருக்கிற R square இன்சைட் வந்தால் மல்டிப்ளாக மாறும். ஸோ அப்போ R1 square which is equal to R square into 1 plus A square by R square minus 2A cos theta by R. Okay, here the value of A square by R square is very small value compared to R. So the A square by R square value can be neglected. So the equation becomes R1 square which is equal to R square into 1 minus 2A cos theta by R. Okay, so நம்மளுக்கு R1 ஓட வேல்யூ தான் தேவை நம்மளுக்கு, பிகாஸ் R1 கூட இல்லை, 1 by R1 ஓட வேல்யூ தான் நம்ம டிட்டர்மைன் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ ஸ்கொயர் அண்ட் சைடு வந்தால் என்னவா மாறும்டா, ரூட்டாக மாறும். R1 which is equal to root of R square 1 minus 2A cos theta by R. Okay, so அப்போ R1 which is equal to இந்த ஸ்கொயருக்கு இந்த ரூட் கேன்சல் ஆகும், பட் இது கேன்சல் ஆகாது. ஸோ R into 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R. இந்த ரூட்டை நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுறோம்னா 1 by 2 எழுதுறோம். ஓகே, நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே என்ன வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், 1 by R1 ஓட வேல்யூ தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா. ஸோ அப்போ 1 divided by R1 which is equal to 1 by R into 1 minus 2A cos theta by R whole power minus 1 by 2. Because இந்த டிவைடில் வந்து என்னவா மாறும்டா, minus 1 by 2. ஸோ அப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம், இது வந்து ஒரு மேத்தமெட்டிக் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். 1 minus x whole power minus n which is equal to 1 plus nx. இதுதான formula. 1 minus x whole power minus n is equal to 1 plus x. So அந்த டேர்ம்ல இது இருக்கா பாருங்க 1 by r இங்க பாருங்க 1 minus x ஓட வேல்யூ இது whole power minus n. அப்ப 1 plus n n ஓட வேல்யூ என்னடா இந்த மைனஸ் ஆஃப் உள்ள வந்தா பிளஸ் ஆ மாறும். அப்ப 2a cos theta divided by 2r. அப்ப 2 க்கு 2 என்ன ஆகும் cancel ஆகும். Okay 1 plus nx. Okay 1 by r1 is equal to 1 by r into 1 plus a cos theta divided by r. This is the value of r1. This equation number 2 consider பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay this is equation number 1. Okay substitute 2 value in 1. இப்போ 1 by r1 நம்ம determine பண்ணியாச்சு இல்லையா. next 1 by r2 ஓட value determine பண்ணனும். Okay so 1 by r2 same condition but there is some change. wait நான் அழிச்சிட்டு போறேன் உங்களுக்கு. so இந்த value நம்ம determine பண்ணியாச்சு. so next இந்த value நம்ம calculate பண்ணனும். 1 by r2 which is equal to same formula நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். r2 square which is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra cos theta. listen அங்க வெறும் theta மட்டும் இருந்ததுடா. ஈஸியா நம்ம thetaன்னு போட்டோம். பட் இங்க பாருங்க 180 minus theta. அப்ப cos 180 degree minus theta which is equal to minus cos theta. so minus cos theta இங்க சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும் plus cos theta ஆகும். அப்ப r2 square which is equal to r square plus a square plus 2ra cos theta. this is the only changes from that r1 distance to r2 distance. so similar conditions we divide r square. this may be cancelled. r2 square which is equal to r square into 1 plus a square by r square plus 2a cos theta by r. okay and next r2 square which is equal to taking root. இங்க root நீங்களே போட்டுக்கோங்க. so என்ன கிடைக்கும் நமக்கு r2 which is equal to r into 1 neglect a square by r square value neglected, you know very well. 1 plus 2a cos theta by r whole power 1 by 2. okay this is 1 plus x whole power n formula, that is 1 minus nx. this is the max formula. so r2 which is equal to r into 1 minus n oda value minus 1 by 2 2a cos theta by r. okay so 2 க்கு 2 cancel ஆகும். r2 which is equal to r into 1 minus 2a cos theta by r. but we need 1 by r2 இல்லையா. some mistake பண்ணி. okay next 1 divided by r2 நம்ம மாத்தறோம்டா. 1 divided by r2 மாத்தனா இது minus 1 by 2 மாறும். இப்போ formula 1 plus x whole power minus n. 1 plus x whole power minus n. answer 1 plus nx 1 minus nx. okay so 1 by 2 அது divided ஆ மாத்த சொல்ல நம்ம 1 by r the value minus 1 by 2 ஆ மாறும். answer 1 minus nx 1 by r2 which is equal to r into 1 plus correct. so the 2 cancel actually 1 by r2 1 by r. so 1 by r2 which is equal to 1 by r into 1 minus a cos theta by r. so இப்போ இந்த equation number 3. so substitute equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. so equation number 1, what is the value of equation number 1? v which is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 divided by r1 1 divided by r into 1 plus a cos theta by r minus 1 divided by r2 same 1 by r 1 minus a cos theta by r. so v which is equal to q by take r as common 4 pi epsilon naught into r. so 1 plus a cos theta by r minus 1 minus a cos theta by r. V equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r 1 plus a cos theta by r minus, so minus உள்ள கொண்டு போங்க, minus 1 plus a cos theta by r. So இந்த plus 1க்கு இந்த minus 1 cancel இல்லைங்களா, a cos theta plus a cos theta 2a cos theta v which is equal to 2a cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r 2aq q மறந்துட்டு 2aq cos theta 4 pi epsilon naught into r. இந்த r காமன் எழுதும், இந்த r இது ஓகே. ஸோ அப்போ r into r r ஸ்கொயராக மாறும். 2aq divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square into cos theta. This is our final equation. Here theta value substitute panna, the equation become 2aq நம்ம p vector னு எழுதலாம் divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. That's all. That's all students. Very easiest 5 mark. நீங்கள் work out பண்ணிட்டு doubt இருந்தா கேளுங்க.